Hello everyone. So today we are talking about the intersection and union in the set lesson. So as we already learned about the set, to have a set, it must be having some element inside. And if you have the element inside, and if you have the example, there are two sets. So what are the elements that can be intersection and can be the union between the two sets? And how can we know that what are the elements to be intersects and what are the elements to be union? So let's see in one example that we have in here. So we have set A that have element 1 2 4 5 7, and set B that have element 2 3 5 and 8. So the question is to find A intersection with B. So the question the sign that you see in question A, that sign is the intersection sign. So when we talk about the intersection, what do we find, or what is the answer to find the intersection of the set A with set B? So to talk about the intersection of set A and set B, we want to find the element that are having in set A and also having in set B, but the element that doesn't have in A we don't count, or the element that doesn't have in B we don't count. We just count only the element that have in both set. So as you can see in set A and B, the element that we have in both are, first we have number 2. Okay, so we have one intersection element, and what else? We have number 5. What else beside 2 and 5? Nothing, right? Because the rest we have in A doesn't have in B, or the rest that we have in B doesn't have in A. So the intersection of the set A and set B is only 2 and 5. This is how we find the intersection between two sets. Okay, now let's answer the question B. Question B is to find the union of set A and set B. So what does the union mean? The union means the element of the two set that having in both, and we count all, even the set that even the element that have in set A but doesn't have in set B, we also count. And the element that we have in set B but doesn't have in set A, we also count. But there's one thing to remember is, if we have the element in A and the element also have in B, we just write it one time. Or we can say that the element that is in the intersection between A and B, we write it only one time. We don't write it two times. So let's see how do we write the union of A and B. So like in set A, we have 1 2 4 5 and 7. So first we write 1, and then in set 2 we have number 2 also. Or set B we have number 2 also. We just write 2 one time. We don't write 2 just write only one element. And in set B we have number 3, but set A doesn't have 3, so we can write 3. And set A we have 4, but set B doesn't have 4, but we still write 4. And then set A and set B both have element 5, so we write 5 one time only. And then set A we have 7, we write 7, and set B we have 8, we write 8. So as you can see that the element in A and B we already written in the union now, but if the element in A and B have two times, we just write only one time. Okay, that is the meaning of how to find the union of the two sets. So if you have questions relating to this video, you can just comment in the video, and let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.